Welcome to my everyday eye makeup tutorial. Right now I'm moisturizing my eyelids because I don't want them to be dry, and then adding primer because I want my makeup to last as long as possible, of course. I like to add a little liner here before I curl my lashes, and then this area is harder to get to. Lash curling time! P.S. My eyelash curler will be coming soon. I've been testing it all year just to make sure it's still amazing, and it is. Next, I use my partial eyelash curler to reach those hard to reach lashes like in the inner corners of my eyes and to get really close to my lash line and just give all my lashes an extra curl. Apply mascara. Whoa, look at those babies. So good. And then I use my partial eyelash curler on my lower lashes. What? Before mascaraing them though, I put a little shimmer in the inner corners and I use a dark brown eyeshadow to lightly line underneath my eyes but not all the way across. Now I add the mascara. Look at that. My lashes look wide open. Eyeliner time! The Smashbox Limitless Liquid Liner is still my holy grail, and if you've been with me a long time, you know I've tried so many liners. This is still my favorite one, and you know because I have monolids, I apply a lot of liner. I also take the time to tight line because it's a pet peeve of mine when you can see that little bit of skin between your liner and your eyeball. Now for lashes. I'm using my lived-in ones because I pretty much live in these, hence their name. I like to pre-curl them, add some glue, and then I use an opened bobby pin so I can move my natural lashes out of the way. Get them into place, adjust as needed, lift them up a little while the glue is still drying. Squeeze your natural and false lashes together and then comb them out for absolute perfection. Bam! Rinse and repeat on the other side. Apply, adjust, lift, and comb. Now let's add some eyeshadows. Lately, I've been into a matte burnt orange for the outer V. I like that it makes a statement but isn't necessarily the brightest color in the box. Then I like to fill in the V with a shimmery gold for a little variation. And then a light shimmery, slightly pinky shade all over the rest of the lid. Guess what? Still not done with liner. Gotta add that little wing always. I like to do it after I've started shadow because then I have kind of a blueprint of how long or short I should draw it. Lately, I've been doing it more straight out of the corners of my eyes and not bringing it up like a dramatic cat eye. I think it just fits my eye shape a little better since I'm getting older and my eyelids seem to be changing as I'm getting older. I don't know, aging is weird. I still like to go over the liner with a matte black pencil because I'm still neurotic about not wanting my eyeliner to look shiny. And then I add a little black eyeshadow above the liner. This adds some depth and gives the illusion that my eyelids are not just totally flat, which they totally are. Using that burnt orange again, I add some under and around the little wings, connecting it with the shadow that was already there. And then I use a light orange color right in the middle of my lids, blending it with the darker orange, and then blend until I'm happy with it. Now I like to moisturize my neck and the rest of my face. Primer in my brows, which are microbladed, but I still fill them in a little as the ink fades over time. Shake up the tinted sunscreen. This is the La Roche-Posay, probably not saying that right. I've tried a few different tinted sunscreens, BBs and CCs, and I'm obsessed with this one. Brow time. I don't spend much time here. Like I said, it's really just to give them a little more shape. Concealer under the eyes, over any sunspots. Pressed face powder, only in my T-zone where I get extra shiny. Blush on the apples of my cheeks. Contour to make the face look snatched. Don't forget the jawline too. Snatch, snatch. Some highlight for a little extra sparkle, and then lip liner, which I use to line and all over my lips, and then lipstick on top of that. And that is my everyday eye makeup. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for being here. Here's my face really close up. Okay, bye.